Hey my lovelies. Okay, so I am back here with another video and I got a package from Sugarpill.com and I'm going to unbox it. So currently they have the little twin stars collection, limited edition, and that is what I got. Alright, let's open this. Let's see. Hopefully it might be upside down. Yep, it's upside down. There you go. Alright. I'm so excited. Oh! Yay! And then I got this little postcard, or not postcard, but of whatever. Oh my gosh, look how amazing that is. Sugarpill. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, I'm like freaking out right now. I love it. Look how cute that is. Oh my gosh. That is adorable. I freaking love that. I am going to open the box. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. So freaking cute. Alright, the big reveal. Ready? Oh my gosh. I love it. It's so kawaii. Oh my gosh. I'm freaking obsessed. Oh my gosh. And I got this because my birthday is coming up. And this was a gift to myself. Oh my gosh. Look how cute that is. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. I'm so happy I got this. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh, let's see. And here's the palette with all the colors on it. And then, focus camera. These two liquid lipsticks, which I can't get out. I'm having a hard time. Oh my gosh, I love it. I like don't even want to use it because it's so freaking cute, but I will. Please focus. Focus, focus. Okay, come on, camera. There we go. There is Kiki. And then the last color is, it's so pretty, is Lala, which it won't focus right now. Please focus. Please, camera. It's not focusing. There we go. Oh my god, I am seriously so obsessed right now. I love when my camera doesn't focus. Don't you guys love that? Come on. And I will be showing a swatch video if you guys would like to see that, because I don't want to open it right now because it's going to be like another 20-minute video maybe. But it's so freaking cute. Oh my gosh. I love it. Alright. Come on, focus. And there's the front again. I'm going gonna put them back in the box because I don't want to mess them up. Oh my gosh, I love them. And here's another look at the... Alright, and close that. And my camera is dying. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I will see you guys on my next one. Alright, bye.